Assalamu alaikum everyone, how are you? Hope you are all good. Me Sidra Said today will teach you a topic contribution of Muslim scientists and their great inventions in science. As we all know that Muslim scientists and inventions including Arabs, Persian and Turk were approximately 100 of years ahead of their counterparts in the European Middle Ages. They drew influence from Aristotelian philosophy and Neoplatonists as well as Archimedes, Ptolemy and others. The Muslim made innumerable discoveries and wrote countless books about medicine, surgery, physics, chemistry, philosophy, astrology, geometry and various other fields. Today inshallah we will discuss about the most famous Muslim scientists and inventors and their wonderful inventions. First, we have Ibn Sina. Ibn Sina is also known as Avicenna. Ibn Sina was Persian philosopher and scientist known for his contribution to Aristotelian philosophy and medicine. Next, we have Ibn Battuta. Ibn Battuta is also known as Shamsuddin, Arab traveler and scholar who wrote one of the most famous travel book in history, that was Rahla. And the third one is Ibn Rushd. Ibn Rushd is also known as Averroes. Ibn Rushd was Arab philosopher and scholar who produced a series of summaries and commentaries on most of Aristotle's work and on Plato's Republic. And the fourth one is Jabir bin Hayyan. Jabir bin Hayyan is also known as Jabir, the father of Arab alchemy, known for his highly influential work on alchemy and metallurgy. And the next one is Ibn al-Hashim. His full name is Abu Ali Al Hassan bin Al Hassan Al Basri, in Latin known as Al Hazan. Ibn al Hashim was Arab astronomer and mathematician known for his important contribution to the principle of optics and the use of scientific experiments. And the sixth one is Ibn Khaldun. Ibn Khaldun was Arab historiographer and historian who developed one of the earliest non-religion philosophies of history, often considered as one of the forerunners of modern historiography, sociology, and economics. And the next one is Ibn al-Battar, Arab scientist and botanist and physician who systematically recorded the discoveries made by Islamic physicians in the Middle Ages. And next we have Abu Bakr al-Razi. Abu Bakr al-Razi is known as Rais, Persian alchemist and philosopher who was one of the great physicians in history. And the next one is Abu Nasir al-Farabi. Abu Nasir al-Farabi is also known as Al-Farabis, Arab philosopher and scientist considered as one of the preeminent thinker of Middle era. Now we have some Pakistani Muslim scientists. First we have Dr. Abdus Salam, famous Pakistani Nobel Prize winning scientist born in 29 January 1926 in Sahiwal. After getting degrees in maths and physics from Cambridge University, he came back in Pakistan. In 1974, he gave the idea for establishing Islamic Science Foundation in Lahore. Dr. Abdus Salam also gave the suggestion for combination of two fundamental sciences, that is nuclear and electromagnetic force. And for his contribution and due to his work, he was first Pakistani scientist who got Nobel Prize in 1979. And next we have Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan. Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan was Pakistani scientist belonged to atomic field known at international level due to his marvelous work. Born in 1st April 1938 in India, he acquired higher education from Holland and Belgium. Then in 1975 come back to beloved country and recommended as director in Kahuta Research Laboratories. Due to his contribution and authorities changes the name of his laboratories and recommended a new name, Dr. Reki Khan Research Laboratories. Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan with his co-worker done a successful nuclear experiment at Balochistan in 28 May 1998, at the result of which Pakistan became nuclear power.